Similar to the previous exercise that we did, here we have the adjectives in the bracket and we are going to fill in the adjectives in these blank. So the first adjective here is jolly. So in the masculine form, it is jolly. In the feminine form, we add an E. For masculine plural form, we add S. And for the feminine plural form, we add an E and an S. Feminine plural form. So now we are going to fill in the blanks in the first sentence. Sophie a dash. Now the noun here is Sophie. It is feminine singular. So we need to add an E. Sophie est jolie. C'est aussi son. So now the adjective, the noun is ya, and it is plural and it is masculine. So masculine plural form. So in that case, we add an S. So now I hope you understood how we write this. Moving on to the next sentence. The adjective is intelligent. Kalpana Chawla a dash. Now the subject is feminine singular. So we need to add an E. Intelligent. And Albert Einstein or A or C and a blank. Now the subject is masculine. So we write it as it is. So did you understand how to write this? Now the next sentence, autre. C'est aimable et. Now the subject, masculine or feminine? Masculine, singular. So autre. La montagne est plus. Now the subject is feminine, singular. So we add an E. So this is very simple. If it is feminine, we add an E. If it is plural but masculine, we just add an S. If it is feminine plural, we add an E and an S. So this is in most of the cases. However, I told you about certain exceptions. So you need to remember the exceptions.